Hello everyone. Are you somebody who has got good experience or some expertise or some skills or maybe some knowledge, but then you are not in a position to figure out what is that single most idea which can be launched as a product or as information product or maybe physical product or as a service offering. You are not in a position to think what is that you should do. Then this is the video for you. I am Prabhakar Beti, a idea launch expert and marketing freedom coach, mentor and trainer. I have launched hundreds of products in last 30 years and also trained thousands of sales and marketing people in launching their products. Do you want to know what are the steps I suggest to identify your winning idea? Yes? Okay, let me start. The number one step is first and foremost, what is that you love doing? What are you passionate about? What is that gives you immense satisfaction when you do? Identify, list down those things which you love to do. Once you list down those things which you love to do, the second step is what is that people really want? You may love to do certain things because you are passionate about those things, but do the people require it? Will your idea benefit some people out there? So out of the list you have prepared which you love doing, you cut it short, considering that what is that people would need out of those things, the ideas you have got. Third is, out of those things which you love to do and also people need it and you are also good at it. There are so many things you love to do it, but then you may not be good at it. Suppose I would like to shoot a good photographs. I may not be good at it. So nobody will hire me as a photographer, even though I may be passionate, I love to do it. It is not necessarily that you will be good at it. So you again narrow down what are those things you love to do and out of that what are those things people need today and what are those things out of that which you are good at doing. Okay, then your list is further shortened. The fourth step is, out of those things you have focused now, brought it down to few things which you love to do, which people also require and also you are good at doing it. Maybe you are expert in doing those things, but are the people ready to pay? There are many things people want it, but then when it comes to paying, they are not willing to pay, isn't it? Like an advice consultation. So find out of these shortlisted lists what are those ideas people would pay. And let me tell you friends, those ideas which you can give the measurable results, the results which can be seen by the people, those ideas will give you a chance to serve people at your best, because those are the things which you love doing, people also need and also you are good at them and people are ready to pay for them. So this is the process you have to follow to identify your winning idea. Many times it should be one winning idea, the big idea, okay, which you love to do, which people also require, you are also expert in doing that and people are ready to pay.